English Premier League, we are previewing the Manchester Derby. This weekend, it is the Manchester Derby, one of the biggest matches on the footballing calendar, not just in the English Premier League, but in the whole world. You are welcome to give me your predictions. What are your predictions? Who do you think will emerge as the kings of Manchester? So let's get to it. So it is Manchester United versus Manchester City, the Manchester Derby, Premier League match day 22. Date, it is Saturday, January 17, 2026. Venue, it is Old Trafford, Manchester. The Old Trafford used to be known as the theatre of dreams, but I don't know, since the departure of Sir Alex Ferguson, I don't know, can we still refer to the Old Trafford as a theatre of dreams? Because Man United has never won the league since the departure of Sir Alex Ferguson in 2013. So it's been how many years? 12 years. Yeah, going to the 13th season without winning the league title. So kickoff time, it is 12:30, the UK time. But for South African Standard Time, it is 2:30. So the context coming to this match, this is the beginning of the Michael Carrick interim era at Manchester United. You know that Manchester United parted ways with Coach Amorim. Following the shock sacking of Ruben Amorim last week after a dismal FA Cup exit to Brighton, the Red Devils are in total flux. Manchester City, meanwhile, is in a fierce title race, sitting second and chasing Arsenal, the Gunners, who are 6 points ahead of Manchester City. The path to the derby, the current standing. The home team, Manchester United, are currently at position 7. They've collected 32 points. Their form, it is a defeat, a win, and 3 draws from their previous 5 matches. Recent result is a 2-1 loss to Brighton in the FA Cup. Then the visiting team, which is Manchester City, are currently at position 2 with 43 points of their recent form of the last 5 matches. It is a 2 wins, 2 draws, and 1 defeat. The last match is a 2-0 win over Newcastle United in the Carabao Cup. United's season is in tatters, according to local media in the UK, with their lowest game count in a century after early exits from both domestic cups. City is also vulnerable, having dropped points recently to Sunderland and Brighton amid a mounting injury crisis. Team Manchester United, right? Key player, it is Bruno Fernandes. Current status is a struggling leader of that Manchester United team on the field. The captain needs to rediscover his creative spark to ignite Carrick's first game, right? Manchester City, key players, a newly signed player, Antonio Semenyo, that is signed from Bournemouth. He is a new signing. The 62.5 million euro man has hit the ground running, scoring on his debut and proving to be a lethal addition to Pep's rotation. Okay, another key player, it is Erling Haaland. So the team news and tactical analysis. Manchester United, the Carrick reset, the defensive crisis. Matthias de Ligt is a major doubt with a back injury. Nosir Mazoul is unavailable as is currently at AFCON with Morocco. The Martinez tension. Lisandro Martinez is back from his ACL injury, but reportedly had a confrontation with the previous staff over game time. Carrick must decide whether to start him in the high-intensity derby. The tactics expect Michael Carrick to move away from Amorim's 3-4-3 and return to a more traditional 4-2-3-1 or 4-3-3, prioritizing defensive stability to stop the bleeding. For Manchester City, the defensive skeleton, blown back line. Pep Guardiola is without Ruben Dias, who's out for hamstring, John Stones, who's unfit, and Josko, who's got a fracture. The youth solution, 20-year-old Max Allen has been recalled from loan at Watford and thrown to the deep end. City is relying on unconventional pairings like Nathan Ake and Abdulkur Kosanov. The AFCON returns. Ryan Aït-Nouri is back from Algeria duty and looked sharp in the Carabao Cup cameo. The head-to-head and history. Reverse fixture September 2025. Manchester City 3, Man United 0. The goal scorers were Foden and Haaland, who scored a brace. The derby history. United still leads the overall record, 80 wins to Manchester City 63. But City has won 21 of the last 40 encounters. The Old Trafford factor. United has struggled at home this season, but the new manager bounce under Carrick could provide a hostile atmosphere for a depleted City defense. The forecast and prediction. The desperation factor. United is playing for pride and the Champions League spot, currently 3 points off fourth position. City is playing for the title. Both defenses are weakened. United by form and AFCON absence. City by a catastrophic injury list. The match pattern. City will dominate the ball as usual, but with a makeshift defense, they are highly susceptible to space and pace of Garnacho and not Marcus Rashford. However, Manchester City's new look attack featuring Ryan Cherki and Semenyo has shown they can outscore their defensive problems. So the predicted score, it is rather a 3-1 win to Manchester City. That's my prediction. What are your predictions? Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Teboskosana. The name of the platform is Mzansi Total Football. Thank you very much.